Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Here I am Kamrun assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 4, today I am going to take your English language class, and our today's topic is oral questions, and we all know that in our oral test we will be asked question orally and we will give the answer orally. That means your teacher will ask few questions from the given oral questions and you must give those question answers orally. So that's why you will practice these questions at your home regularly. That means you will go through these questions almost every day. So practice a lot at your home, and there are 20 questions for your oral test. So let's read. The first one is, what is conjunction? The answer is, the conjunction is a word which is used to join two or more words, phrases or sentences. Number 2, what is interjection? And the answer is, an interjection is a word which expresses sudden joy, sorrow, wonder, hatred and emotion of the mind. Number 3, what is past indefinite tense? The answer is, past indefinite tense is used to denote an action completed in the past or a past habit. For example, I caught a fish. Number 4, which tense denotes an action that was going on in the past? And the answer is past continuous tense. Number 5, what is future indefinite tense? And the answer is, future indefinite tense is used to express an action or event that will happen in the future. And the example, Rina will go to school tomorrow. Number 6, give some examples of frequently used conjunctions. The answer is as, because, for, and, but, or, however, etc. So you can also add another conjunctions according to your choice. Number 7, what is future continuous tense? And the answer is, future continuous tense is used when an action is thought to be continued in the future. The example, he will be reading a book. Number 8, how many kinds of past tense are there? What are they? And you all know that there are 4 kinds of past tense. So the answer is, there are 4 kinds of past tense, and they are past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Now number 9, give an example of although or because as a conjunction, and now it is written there, do it yourself. That means you will make your own answer. Suppose your teacher can ask you to make a question with the word because. So you will make a sentence with because. Like, I could not go to school because I was ill. Just like this you will make sentences by yourself. Now number 10, give some common examples of interjections. Now the common examples of interjections are what? Bravo, hurrah, ouch, alas, oh, etc. So there are other interjections, you can also tell them or say them. Now number 11, give an example of alas in a sentence, and in answer it is written that do it by your do it yourself. That means you will make your own answer with the word alas, like alas, I am undone. And you can also say another sentence, or you can make another sentence. Now number 12, what is subject verb agreement? And the answer is, the subject and verb must agree in number. Both must be singular or both must be plural. This agreement is subject verb agreement. For example, he was present. Now look here, our verb and the subject both are singular. He is singular, and that's why the verb is used here was. That means it is also singular. So this is called the subject verb agreement. Now number 13, what is past perfect tense? The answer is, past perfect tense denotes an action that had been completed comparatively earlier than another event in the past. And now number 14, give an example of universal truth. So there are 3 examples. You can say them, or you can also make your own answer. The first example is, the sun rises in the east. Second example, the earth moves around the sun. The third example is, man is mortal. Now number 15, change the following sentences as directed. Now look, the answer is, at first look at this question. He is reading. we will change it to past continuous tense. And now the answer is he was reading. Now another sentence, they were sleeping, and it was present continuous tense. We will change it to present continuous tense. So they are sleeping. Now he goes to school, we will change it to past indefinite tense. That means he went to school. So you will be given sentences and you will change the sentences according to the given direction. Now number 16, give an example of past perfect tense. So it is also given the do it yourself. So you will make your own sentences of the past perfect tense. And what is the past perfect tense? Now look, we have read here, the past perfect tense denotes an action that had been completed comparatively earlier than another event in the past. So there will be two events and one event will be happened earlier, like the patient had died before the doctor came. Number 17, identify the types of sentence. Now it is written there, you will be randomly asked by the teacher. So your teacher will ask teacher will give you some questions and you need to be tell which type of sentences are they. Like your teacher can say come here. So it is imperative sentence. Or your teacher can also say the sun sets in the west. So it is a statement. So it is assertive sentence. Like this you will identify the types of the sentences. And now number 18, give examples for the following types of sentences, like imperative sentence, operative sentence and exclamatory sentence. So you will give an example of the you will give the examples of these types of sentences. Like imperative sentence, submit your homework regularly. So it is a order by your teacher, so it is an imperative sentence. Or operative sentence, you will make a sentence with may you live long. And exclamatory sentence, how beautiful the bird is. Like this you will make your own sentence. That means you will make your own example. Now number 19, what is adverb? An adverb is a word which tells when, where and how an action of the verb takes place. And the last one, number 20, what is present indefinite tense? And the answer is present indefinite tense represents an action which is regular or normal or true and uses the base form of the verb. In case of third person singular number, s or es is added with the verb. So this is the definition of present indefinite tense. And dear students, there is a homework. This is homework number 16. You will write the question answer of 1 to 6. That means you will write only answer. You don't need to pick up the question. You will just write the answer of question number 1 to 6. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic. Dear students, all of you will submit your homework regularly and you will do it because your SBA city and diary marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. So dear students, practice a lot and abide by your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.